Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with the Hardest Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. This one, I didn't think I was going to be able to do. Because I had carpal tunnel surgery, and y'all know that, who watch me. Scissors right now are hurt, or the cutting or the holding to go like this. Yeah, it's the best way I can describe it. It hurts. Just hurts. So, and I'm not very good at my left hand. My left hand's really well. The right's giving me some trouble. I go to the doctor next week and we'll see what's going on. So, I asked Diamond to help me a little bit with this one, and she did. And this is what we did. So, I made the medallion, and I want a white material in the center. So, Diamond got the material for me and had her cut me like a piece like that big, and I just glued it on the back. And then the strips, I just had Diamond cut a little piece, and I ripped it, and then I just glued it underneath, and then I put it down, and these were loose, and then I started arranging them. And then I got, first I painted the background course black. That is canvas. Or not canvas. I had used a white piece of material to begin with. And I was going to do like mixed media in the center. But then with this material, I thought it'd take it away. So then I decided to do black. So I painted it all over. You can kind of see on the edge right there. Right here you can see that's the material. So, and what I did with it is I used whoops, wrong stuff here, my matte gel medium to put the material down, and then I just gessoed it just a little bit. So that's how I did each page with the material / fabric. And then I dotted this side, and I just kind of little dashes on this side. But then I looked at the material, and I thought it needed something. So I did little stitches. And then in this one, I did a zigzag. Reminds me of a bandage stitch. So them are my pages. Oh, forgot that. Some of the material was hanging over, and Diamond cut that all off for me. I think she did pretty good. So, thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Oh, and this is week 17. Oh, look at my poor buck. It's like, dang, it's going to be one chunky book when it's done.